Welcome back to the AutoRevive channel. Today I'm sharing a Volkswagen repair with you. This car crashed directly into a house. The pillar hit a tree. The front suspension is completely scrapped. There's also a hole in the windshield. Both the driver and passenger airbags have deployed. This video is about 10 minutes long. I hope you'll have the patience to watch. Let's get to work. Removing the bumper first, it's all crushed underneath. Removing the left headlight. The left headlight mounts are broken. That's the radiator support frame. The support frame has been smashed to pieces. The front end damage is extensive. The radiator and condenser are scrapped. Look at the shape of the crash bar. The engine took a direct hit. We need to lift the engine out of this car. There may be some minor damage to the gearbox. Plus, we need to fix the side panels on the left and right. It's easier to align the frame with the engine out. Disassembling the damaged components. Start repairing the chassis rails. Time for a quick lunch break. Cold noodles. Look at this damaged impact beam. You can see it here. Imagine the speed required to cause this damage. Look at this deformation. People say Japanese cars have thin metal, but look at this German car crash. It still deforms heavily. The hollow crash beam was sheared right off. In fact, it's in the same price range. The material thickness is generally about the same. One last adjustment with the hammer. Checking the fitment of the hood. Not quite there yet. The gap is wide on one side and tight on the other. It's all about measuring the data correctly. Precision is key. Double-checking the measurements with a tape measure. Assembling the radiator support and crash bar. Now for the bodywork. Music restoration montage. Focusing on the details. Bringing it back to life. Body filler and sanding process. Looking beautiful again. Checking the color match contrast. Comparing the front left alignment. Installing the bumper brackets. Final assembly montage. The front end is taking shape. Starting the dashboard installation. Fitting it back in. Connecting the AC vents. Installing the steering wheel. Installing the driver airbag. Dashboard installation complete. The engine is also back in place. Installing the left headlight. Tightening the large chassis bolts. Installing the front bumper. Looks as good as new. Final inspection. Ready for delivery. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the AutoRevive channel. Thank you.